Thinking about upgrading your TV in 2026? Let's do a rapid-fire review of the TCL C7L SQD-Mini LED, TCL's latest shot at the premium market, but with that classic don't break the bank vibe. First up, the headline feature, Super Quantum Dots. This isn't marketing fluff. The C7L's SQD-Mini LED panel bumps up color accuracy by a whopping 69% and expands the color gamut by 33%. Translation? You get super rich, vivid colors that'll make even last year's C7K model look washed out. Now, brightness. If you have a sunlit living room or just love an ultra-bright display, you're in luck. The 65-inch and up versions hit a jaw-dropping 3,000 nits of peak brightness. That's way beyond what most OLEDs can do, so no more squinting during daytime Netflix binges. Gamers, check this out. You get a native 144Hz refresh rate, perfectly smooth for fast-paced action, and there's a game accelerator mode that pumps it up to 288Hz at 1080p. Plus, dual HDMI 2.1 ports for super low latency gaming. Yes, you can plug in your PS5 and your Xbox at the same time, though one port doubles as your EARC for soundbars. Speaking of sound, this TV doesn't slouch. It's rocking a 2.2 channel system, tuned by Bang & Olufsen, so you get surprisingly full, punchy audio right out of the box, way better than most mid-range TVs. Quick size rundown: the bigger you go, the more dimming zones you get, which means better contrast and less haloing. The 55-inch starts with 800 zones. The beastly 98-inch, over 2100. But hey, nothing's perfect. The MediaTek Pentonic 700 chip limits you to only two HDMI 2.1 ports, and since it's still a backlit TV, you might notice a faint halo around bright objects and dark scenes. The back is mostly plastic to keep costs down, but the front does have a slick gray aluminum frame. So, is the TCL C7L SQD-Mini LED worth your money? Absolutely. If you want flashy flagship features for way less cash, this is the performance per dollar champ of 2026. Don't overpay for a big brand badge.